Hello, my wonderful Science Olympiad kids. Let me tell you, I miss you dearly, and I hope that this last week of social isolation or distancing has not drove you crazy. I'm not crazy yet, but I'm getting there. This week we will be starting our e-learning lessons, and yes, this is an elective class. Yes, you still need to do some e-learning in your elective classes. For my elective classes, I am going to create 2 lessons a week that I would like you guys to complete by Sunday at midnight. And today I am introducing our first lesson, which is how to be a contributor to Scioli.org. So this week, what I would like you guys to do while our competition is still fresh in your mind, and because we were one of the only competitions, regional competitions in the country that was allowed to take place, I would like you guys to take the opportunity to add some information to Scioli.org. I'm going to move this over here. So as you can see, I've logged into Scioli.org right here. And it asks me to log in. You guys, the first time that you do this, you're going to click on log in and have to register as a user. As you register as a user, I don't know why this is not doing it for me. You'll see here, you'll have to create a username. I made mine Polifka. And then, oh, sorry, just kidding. You're not going to create a username yet. You have to click on the register button. I've already done mine, so it pops up and I made it save my username. So I just picked my last name and that worked. It might not for you. But you have to click right down here. You'll see on the tab that says register. And once you click here, go ahead and agree to their terms and conditions. You can read through it. Basically, it's just stating that anything that you plan to post to their website will be truthful. You'll stand behind it. And if it's untruthful, they will hold you accountable. So click I agree to those terms and conditions. Here's where you'll create your username. Please use your WC-Wolves email. That way you can be tracked back to our high school and that all your contributions will be made on behalf of our high school. This also allows me to search for you guys on the forums. If you say I made a post and I can't find it, then that's another very easy way for me to do that. So please use your WC-Wolves account. You create your password, confirm it. I don't think you had to do anything here. For the division tab right here, you want to pick C because that's what we competed in. And then for your state, of course, choose North Dakota. That way everything gets tied back to our Wikipedia page that the state of North Dakota sets up. You guys will also notice the results from the past years are on there. I believe you guys will be listed on there as well. So if you haven't yet checked out the Science Olympiad Wikipedia page for North Dakota, do that. And then, of course, you have to click that I am not a robot and click submit. Once you click submit, it'll tell you that it's awaiting confirmation. So, oops, here, just to show you guys quickly, I'm going to minimize this screen. In my email, I received a confirmation, and it looks like this right here. And once you receive this confirmation, you do need to click on this link, and once you click on that link, your account is activated. So now that I have an activated account, I'm going to give you guys a quick lesson on how to create a post. So let me just get this back to the size of screen I want it to be. Okay. So you will log in. So I'm going to do that. You'll see I made it, remember my username, password, so that way if next week or the week after I ask you guys to go in and respond or make an additional post, you can do that. You can click the Remember Me button, which is what I did. And then log in. And at this point, when you log in, it will bring you directly to the forum page. So the assignment for this week, and you'll see it posted on Google Classroom as well with this tutorial, is to pick your events that you competed in. So if you competed in 2, I would expect to see 2 forum posts. If you did 3 or 4, please post to those. You can create a new post, or you can add to an existing post. So I'm just going to pick Boomeliever because it's the first one here on the list. And so as we click on Boomeliever, I can see here these are all of the posts that have been created already. Okay, so if I wanted to add pictures, scores, and videos. So let's say during Boomeliever, someone took a really good video, a really good picture, either in the planning stages or at the competition, and I thought it's something I could post to help someone new to the event, or next year our Watford City High School kids could go in and watch the previous one made. And so we'll go here, and as you can see, you can post a reply to a specific post. So I'm going to click on post a reply, and then right here is where I can type the body of my reply. You can also add your pictures or create a link. So all of the videos, all the pictures that I took, I'm giving you guys access now to on Google Drive. If you wanted to include a link of a video that I took when we were in Dickinson, or possibly if you have your own, you guys could add it also through Google Drive, Google Photos as well. You just have to make sure that when you post that link, you allow the link to be seen publicly on the internet. If not, only WC-Wolves people or with that email identifier will be able to see it. So those would be 2 ways to do that. And then once you have typed what you want to click preview to see what it looks like, and then submit. So once you click submit, then you've completed your assignment for that first event that you were asked to post to the forum for, and then go on and do your next 2. So that's the one and only assignment that I'm posting for this week, is that you need to make a forum post for your events that you competed in. And like I said, you can post to one that's already been there, or you can make your own. And so I'm going to quick show you how to do that as well. Let me move this. If you would like, I think, let's see here, we got to go back one more. So if you go to the original list of posts, you can also click new topic, and here is where you could post a question. So maybe we went to our competition and you're like, geez, I got 12th and I really felt like I nailed it. I should have got first, second, or third. What did I do wrong? So perhaps you could pose a question like, and a picture of what you made, or a question of a test question that you had, or something, just anything. If you post that question, then that would also count as contributing to the forum. So that's our first assignment for this week. Create a post or answer a post within the forum tab on scioli.org. So again, here it shows, just go to scioli.org, click on forums, and then you can choose your event forum. So again, lots of different event forums. You should almost find every single one of them here. If not, you can be the first to create a post for your specific event. All right, thanks guys. If you have any questions, I'm available from 8 to noon on Tuesday, March 24th at the school. I will be on Google Hangouts, or you can contact me through email. Also, if you leave comments on Google Classroom, I get those and I check them hourly. So let's definitely collaborate online and see how this e-learning goes this week. Thanks, bye.